Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Wow Maths. Today we are going to understand the meaning of multiples, how to find common multiples, and from the common multiples how we are going to find the LCM, that is the least common multiple. So before starting, let's understand the meaning of multiples first. Multiples means the multiple of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by that number. Okay, that is the meaning of multiples. So let's understand the multiples by its properties. The first property is the property of the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. अब इसका क्या मीनिंग है? इसका ये मीनिंग है कि सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग द मल्टीपल 7, okay, the second multiple is 14, the third multiple is 21, fourth multiple is 28. It means we are just writing the table of 7. So what is the smallest multiple of 7? That is the number itself. जो सबसे छोटा multiple होगा किसी भी number का, that is the number itself. The second property is that every number is the multiple of 1. Suppose if I am taking the number 7 only, okay, then this number is the multiple of 1 because 1 के table में 1 sevens are 7. If I am taking the number 8, 1 eights are 8. So every number is the multiple of 1, right? The third property is there is no limit to the number of multiples we have. If I just want to write the multiples of any number, suppose if I am going to write the multiples of 2, for example, so I can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and it is endless. So there is no limit. So we can write infinite number of multiples for a given number. So the fourth property is the multiple of a number is either greater or equal to the number itself. अब इसका क्या मीनिंग है? For example, if I am taking the number 7 only, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, okay. So जो मल्टीपल होगा या तो उस नंबर से बड़ा होगा या फिर वो नंबर इटसेल्फ होगा. कभी भी जो मल्टीपल है जो गिवन नंबर से स्मॉलर नहीं होगा. So now we are going to find the common multiples and the LCM from the given numbers. In question number 1, as you can see, find the common multiples and LCM of 4 and 5. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to write is, first you are going to write the multiples of For writing the multiples, you need to write just the table. Okay, 4 का table आपको लिखना है. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we are going to write the multiples of 5 in the same manner. 5, 10, 15, 20. Multiple का क्या meaning है? Multiple means, as the name suggests, we need to multiply that number. Okay. 45, 50. Now we are going to find the common multiples जो इन दोनों में आ रहे हैं. Common multiples इन दोनों में से we are going to find. Okay. अब देखते हैं common कौन कौन से हैं. The first common I can see this 20 is there. Okay. उसके बाद और कोई आ रहा है इसमें, देखो 24 is there, it's not there. 32, 40. Yes, now the second common multiple is 40. So 20 and 40, they are the common multiples. Now we need to find the LCM. LCM means the least common multiple. Least means इन दोनों में से जो small multiple है, अब हमें वो लेना है. So which one is the small in between 20 and 40? Yes, obviously 20 है. So we will write 20 as its LCM. Now we are going to do the B part. In this we need to write the multiples of 8 and 12 first. Then find the common multiples, and out of the common multiples we are going to find its LCM. So let's write the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So I have written the table till 10, multiple of 8, multiple of 12. Now I need to find the common ones out of it. So I can see 24, the first common. Then after that I can see 48 is also common in between these two. After that 72, yes, 72 is there. So these are the common one. So I'm going to write it here, 24, 48 and 72. So out of these, which one is the least common? इन दोनों में से सबसे तीनों में से smallest कौन सा है? Least is 24. So what is the LCM? So the LCM will be 24 only. So let's understand with the help of one more example. Here we need to find the multiples of 6. As you can see, I have written all the multiples of 6. Now I'm going to write the multiples of 10, 20, 30, 40. For finding the LCM, just write the multiples till 10 number, okay? As I'm writing table of 10 till 10, okay? Now I need to find the common multiples out of these. So I can see the 30 is the common one, right? After 30, I can see 60, right? So the common multiples here I can see is 30 and 60. And out of that, which one the least common multiple? Yes, I can see the least one is 30. So the LCM of 6 and 10 will be 30 only. I hope this video gives you the clarity about the multiple, common multiple and the least common multiple, that is LCM. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button for the future update. Thank you so much.